Makadi mhuri yeZimbabwe, Mr. Spana back again nenyaya yaProfet Walter Magaya. Prophet Walter Magaya vakasungwa nezuro nenyaya dzefraud nenyaya dzerape. Pane gender commission yanga ichitaura vachimbozeya pamusoro penyaya iyoyo. Ndichakusiyirai vhidhiyo ravo muchinzwa zvavanga vachitaura pamusoro pemhosva iyi kuti inotongwa sei uye yakamira sei, uye ndichakuratidzai tsamba yabva kumapurisa pamusoro paProfet Walter Magaya. Rambai muinesu, ticharamba tichikupai maupdates panyaya iyi kusvika yakanopera. Isu tinorova tisina devera ratakarerekera nyaya sezvairi. Rambai muchitisapota kuti tirambe tichiitawo simba rekukutsvagirai zvakawanda zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Muswere zvakanaka. Much love.
The Zimbabwe Gender Commission, as you know, is an independent constitutional body mandated to promote gender equality, monitor and advise on laws and policies, and advocate for the protection of rights, particularly for women and marginalized groups. Through our 4 specialized units, research and programming, legal complaints handling and investigations, and public education, we've established a call center to enhance reporting of gender-based violations, leading to a marked increase in cases being handled by the Commission. We've carried out national inquiries and research, notably the inquiry on sexual exploitation and abuse of young girls and child marriages, which uncovered systemic issues and shared
commencement of investigation into allegations of sexual exploitation and abuse of women by Prophet Walter Magaya of Prophetic Healing and Deliverance Ministries. The Zimbabwe Gender Commission wishes to advise members of the public that the Zimbabwe Gender Commission, in its commission meeting number 38 on the 4th of August 2022, are resolved to recommence investigation of the allegations of sexual exploitation and abuse of women leveled against Prophet Walter Magaya of Prophetic Healing and Deliverance Ministries. The investigation, which was gazetted on 23 August 2019, a general notice was halted by the legal challenge launched by the key respondent, Mr. Walter Magaya. We are happy that the courts have given legal judgments which have paved way for the continuance of our process. As such, we are calling on all citizens who might have complaints of sexual exploitation and abuse involving the conduct of Walter Magaya to present particulars of their complaints to the Zimbabwe Gender Commission. The invitation is also being extended to all complainants and witnesses to such acts which consist share of women within the denomination. Please refer your complainants to CEO of the Zimbabwe Gender Commission, first floor, Parks House, 89 Kwame Nkrumah Avenue, Harare, plus 263 0242 250 296, plus 263 0242 701 101, or email